Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I have Asus Wi-Fi router, which is Smart 6 Wi-Fi, and this is 1.5 times better than the other Wi-Fi. Look at this. This is RT AX55. It is AX 1800 dual band series. So look at this. It's a faster 1.5x, which is 18 Mbps and 12 Mbps with 802.11 AC and AX 2x2. So if you know that stuff, that's a very fast router, and that's a Wi-Fi 6, by the way. So look at this. It has these kind of ports in and out. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So this is the first. Look at this. This is a router, and it has four antennas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For a moment, just put aside and see what's other things come with this. So the one Ethernet cable with must be Cat 6. So look at this. This is the basic thing, and here's a charger. This is a charger with that. So let's see what is the adapter. It's 12-volt adapter, and that's it, and nothing inside. So let's put it aside and see. So this is a router. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 antennas, and from the front it has nothing. You can mount it also. It gives you these things or serial number, etc. If you have any problem, scan that code and you can quick connect the Wi-Fi. So that's so these are the lights for connectivity, 2G and all other stuff for the power So let's look at this one. To the back side, this is the power of the you can click, and this is the power of the router. This is the WPS thing. So if you want to reset your router, you can just put some kind of pin here and hold it a little bit, and you can reset easily. So this is the in, and these 1, 2, 3, 4 lines for the out, and this is the power outlet. So that's a very fast and the Wi-Fi 6 router. If you like that video, please thumbs up, and see you in the next video.